Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a makeup review on this Profusion lip kit. So I got this from one of my good friends and she got it at the 99 cents only store. It was $3.99, but on their website it is a little bit more. I believe it's like $5.99. It's not that much of a price difference, but I wanted to give you guys a review. If you guys ever wondered how it works, if it's good, if it's worth the buy, even if it's at the 99 cent store and it is $3.99, it's not $1, but I don't want to waste $4 if it's not like a good quality makeup. And honestly, I've always been that type. I don't care if it's cheap, it still has to be good. Like if it's not good, you're out. I don't care if it's $1 or $2. I have gotten so much drugstore makeup that I found that they just work amazing, and there's some that's just like $1 and it is amazing. I wanted to give you guys a swatch and review and let you know if this is worth the buy. But before we begin, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. I do post 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, so why not join me? And do not forget to click that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So I got this one right here, or shall I say my best friend got it for me, and it came in this kit. So it has 3 lip colors and 2 2 lip liners, and it also comes with this liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna take them out, I'm gonna swatch it for you, and then I'm gonna let you know what I think. And you know what, I think I need to get a mirror because I'm not gonna do a great job if I don't have a mirror. So hold on, I'm back. I got some toilet paper. How classy. I'm gonna take off my lipstick that I currently have right now. Okay, now we are ready. So I'm gonna show you the swatches first. Like I told you, I'm gonna show you swatches on my arms first, and then I'm gonna show you on my lips so you can see how it looks. So the first one is this one right here. It doesn't say like the color of it, but it looks like this. It's more like a mauve color. And here is the swatch. Looks like that. Here is the next one. This one is more like a dark wine color. Really beautiful. I actually really love this one. Moving on is this color right here. Really beautiful, like a vibrant pink. Let me show you guys. Hopefully you can see how it swatches. And these are matte, so there is absolutely no sheen in it. Yeah, no sheen in it whatsoever. Next one is this one, is more like a coral color. Looks like this, and honestly I really like the packaging, the way it looks. It gives you a preview of the color, which I love because I like to store my lipsticks like this, and I love the fact that they give you that on top so you can see what color it is. A lot of the lipsticks, they show the color at the bottom, which to me is pointless because I like to store them like this. I don't like to store them upside down because I feel like it can fall out of the tube, especially on a hot day. It can melt and just, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is really beautiful. And let me give you a quick swatch. So this is like a coral reddish color. Looks like that. The last lipstick is this one right here, and this is like a red color. Really beautiful, guys. So this has like a cherry red color to it. I just think it is beautiful. The last one is this one right here. This is the liquid lipstick. I'm gonna swatch it for you right here. So it looks like that. Really beautiful. It's like a rosy pink color. Just gorgeous. And let me see, does it have a smell? It does kind of have a smell to it, but it's not like a pleasant smell or like a bad smell. It's just, I don't even know how to describe it. It's kind of like somewhat like plasticky, but to be honest with you, I really don't mind. Now I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on my lips. So I'm gonna first show you how this one looks. So this is how this one looks. And honestly, I really love it. It is very opaque. It's kind of like more hard. It's not like a super creamy lip liner, but it does like glide on really nicely. It gives you a nice color. It's not streaky, it's opaque, it's beautiful. And I have to say, I'm really impressed. Like, I love this one so much. So there's this one. It is a gorgeous color. Now moving on to the wine red lip liner. And I have to say, this is kind of weird, but this is the only one that kind of smells like it's gone bad. So I'm kind of scared to use it, but I just noticed that the other ones did not have that smell, but this one does. If my lip color does not look perfect, that's not, honestly, I don't care. The point of it is just to show you how it looks. So it's not perfect how I put it on, but this honestly I really like. Like I said, thing I don't like about it, it does have a weird smell, which kind of makes me freaked out, like it's gone bad. Like, you know that smell, if you guys been using makeup for a while, you guys know that smell when makeup goes bad, which is rare, but it happens. And it has that weird smell, like it's not good. So the other ones do not have that smell. It actually smells okay, but this smells bad. Now, as far as application goes, it does apply on really nicely. It is a lip liner, so you're supposed to use it as a lip liner. I actually use it as a lip color, like the whole lip color. Sometimes I do use it as a lip liner to apply my liquid lipstick, so that way it doesn't go out of my lip line. But yeah, I do love it. I know that it's not gonna like bleed out of my lines when I apply the liquid lipstick on top. This is a good one. The next lip swatch is this one right here. This is the like hot pink. So here's the next one. I love it. This actually is really beautiful, guys. I love this lip color. It is very opaque. It's not streaky whatsoever. It's very creamy. It glides on perfectly, and it actually feels really comfortable on the lips. I absolutely love this. So far, so good. Moving on to the next color. This is the like reddish orange color, like more of a coral color. And I love the fact, I gotta say, it's like really pointed, so it's really easy to apply. So if you don't use like a lip liner, this is actually really cool. I love it. Honestly, I feel like this is perfect if you don't have time to fill your lips with a lip liner and you just want to have that lipstick where you can put it on quick and not have to worry about it. Because with really bold lip colors, a lot of times I notice that I do use lip liners just to feel like secure, to make sure it doesn't bleed out, and also to make sure that my lip line is perfect, because I just cannot stand like a lipstick that looks like out of the line. It just looks all over the place. Even maybe if some people can't tell, but I can. I'm a perfectionist, guys. So this actually makes it easy for me to apply the lipstick, because the way it's angled, it has a pointy tip. Now, the more I use it, obviously it kind of will somewhat go away, but I do like the fact that they have it like this, because putting it on, it goes perfectly on my lips, and it's perfect for, you know, lining it right here. It just goes perfect. So I do love it. So far, so good. I love this one, guys. Again, really opaque, amazing color, very smooth, very comfortable to wear, and not streaky whatsoever. I love it, guys. Moving on to the last lip color. It is this one, the more dark red lip color. This has more like a cherry red color to it, but in the tube it actually looks really dark, so it's a little bit deceiving. So now I know I said that in the beginning of the video, I said that it's a matte color, like all these are matte lipsticks, but I did notice that the lipsticks are not fully matte. They're kind of like semi-matte, but honestly I don't mind. It's just gorgeous, guys. Like, this is a really beautiful red lipstick color. It does not bleed out. I don't think it will. Just from my personal experience with lipsticks, I can kind of tell if it will and it won't. And this one is just perfect. Like, I absolutely love it. This is another lip color that honestly I wouldn't worry about just putting it on quickly and go, because it kind of helps you out with the way the shape of the lipstick is. So this is definitely like a win for me. Hands down, love it. As you guys can see, my lips are so red, but honestly it doesn't hurt removing it because I did use a wet wipe, but they are red, so some of the color did stain. Now the last one I want to show you guys is this one right here. This is the liquid lipstick, so let's do this. So what I have to say about this one is that it is a nice color. It is opaque. It's very beautiful. It's smooth and it's not streaky at all, guys. Oh, you only need one coat to make this fully opaque. And I really love this. It does not go matte, which I really wish it did, but nevertheless, guys, I do think it is a beautiful color. I do really love it. I think it's beautiful. Now this is a liquid lipstick. I did assume that this one is gonna dry matte, but it doesn't. It actually stays like this, which kind of has like a sheen to it. This is not really my cup of tea. Now it is beautiful. It is soft. It's opaque. It's creamy. It feels very comfortable on the lips. Highly recommend if you guys are into these types of liquid lipsticks. They are shiny, but for me it is not my cup of tea, just because, like I said, I like matte liquid lipsticks. So what I have to say about this, is this worth the buy, even if you do not find it at the 99 cents only store? Now 99 cents only stores do carry this brand a lot lately, but you can also order Profusion online, and all their stuff are like super affordable. And I have to say this, guys, through personal experience, Profusion makeup, a lot of it is really great quality. It's like one of those makeups that you just are surprised how amazing and good it is for the price. Is just mind-blowing. So what I have to say about the lip liners, I really love these. I think they're amazing. They're very opaque. They're not streaky. They're creamy, but kind of more on, like, the lip pencil is more hard. It's not as creamy and soft, but it is creamy. It does glide on nicely. The only thing, like I said, I have to say is that this one, I believe it gone bad, because it does have like a makeup gone bad smell. So that's the only thing I have to say bad about it. And then, guys, the lipsticks I absolutely love. Like, I am so happy about these. These are amazing. Like, they're very creamy, they're opaque. I really love these. If you see them, pick them up. They're amazing quality. None of them end up being streaky. Some colors that are more on the darker side, like these, tend to be more streaky. So these are amazing. Can't say enough good things about it. And then for the last one, this liquid lipstick, like I said, I think it's amazing. The quality is amazing. It's really creamy and smooth. It's opaque. It's not streaky whatsoever. Really beautiful, bold color. But like I said, guys, the only reason why I do not like it is because it's not matte. But if you guys are into colors like this that are shiny and it is a liquid lipstick, I do think it is worth the buy. If you see it, pick it up, guys. I really love it. And yeah, guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup review on the Profusion lip kit. So yeah, that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. And if you guys are still watching and have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. I do post 5 days a week, so why not subscribe? I would love to have you. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.